Welcome to Valco Sales and Marketing Consultants, DBA America's Choice. We are a supplier of disaster relief products and heavy construction equipment, where innovation meets urgency in the face of climate change-induced disasters. Our mission extends beyond mere business. It is a commitment to safeguarding communities, restoring stability, and enhancing resilience against the unpredictability of natural and manufactured, man-made catastrophes. At Valco Sales and Marketing, we are more than a company. We are a legacy of service and dedication. Led by Daniel and Bill Archival, principals with a lineage of 3 generations of lifelong military veterans and patriots, we embody the spirit of American brilliance and tenacity. Our foundation is built on a rock-solid faith in the potential of American innovation to overcome any challenge. Based in Dania Beach, Florida, our team has been at the forefront of disaster relief for over 8 years, carving a niche as a trusted partner in the climate change disaster relief sector. As a designated government contractor recognized by the U.S. government, Cage number 8Z2B5 with unique entity, ID number UD5 YQ3 PRZ 285 on SAM.gov. Valco Sales and Marketing's expertise is certified and revered nationally and globally. Distinctively positioned as a certified service-disabled veteran-owned small business and a minority-owned business, we offer unparalleled value in partnerships, particularly in securing and executing U.S. government contracts. Our status elevates our capability as an indispensable subcontractor when needed by huge awardees, with FAR requirements to utilize small businesses as part of their government award, enhancing bid qualifications usage and fulfillment, and ensuring project success. At Valco Sales, our proactive approach goes beyond merely responding to disasters. We strategically anticipate and meticulously prepare, equipping our clients with the most advanced, highest standards made in America disaster relief products available. Our DBA name, America's Choice, symbolizes our unwavering commitment to quality and trust. Our product range is meticulously designed to meet the diverse needs of disaster relief. Each item is selected for quality, puree, and utility, from industrial-grade gloves, safety illuminated vests, blankets, water purification kits, to other essential supplies like baby food, personal hygiene products, survival equipment, and much more. Moreover, during the global crisis brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, Valco Sales and Marketing pioneered several FDA-registered products that played a pivotal role in virus mitigation efforts worldwide. This innovation underscores our capability to respond to immediate needs and innovate solutions for unforeseen global health challenges. Additionally, we sell construction-heavy equipment, excavators, tractors, crawler cranes, dump trucks, bulldozers, motor graders, and much more. Government contract officers call Bill Archival, General Manager at Valco Sales, at 310-463-3039 today with the part number, SQ, or NSN numbers you seek, or just for a friendly capabilities chat. Need a quote? We will reply with a response quote within 24 hours or less. Again, call Bill at 310-463-3039.